learning tools and validating the entire tool. The learning tools developed using the discovery learning model use 3D hologram media as objects that will be used as material for student observation. Devices that have been created together with 3D hologram media are subjected to validation tests by experts. The expert is a lecturer in the IKI Budi Utama Malang. Validation results show that learning devices and 3D hologram media can be used for this test on a small group of 10 students in the class 12 who had taken nervous system material. And the results in the small study groups implemented in the class 12 at Senior High School of Turen, the results of pretty different tests showing in score 0.5, which is included in the quiet effective category. And in the implementation phase was carried out in class 11, BO7 at Senior High School to two, and which content the Holo Learning Media provides learning effectiveness, which is categorized as quite effective in both groups, namely small groups and large groups. Improving learning outcomes through 3D Holo Learning is achieved through visualization of abstract material to make it easier to understand the material provided. I think that's all of our presentation. Thank you for your attention. Good afternoon and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam. Thank you so much to Mr. Rizal Muhaimin. Interesting presentation and research. And please let's save your question for no, and we will continue to the next presenter first. Okay. And the next one is for the next second speaker. Okay. And the second speaker is Miss Utari. The floor is yours.
Okay. Wait me, please. I want to share my slide.
And please introduce yourself.
Okay.
Where do you come from? Okay.
Okay, baik.
Okay. Before you okay.
Wait me, please. I difficult to next my slide PowerPoint. Okay. Next, background of research. Citizen science or CAs become popular research among the world. Some projects have demonstrated the achievement of positive learning outcomes, but most projects have not documented outcomes such as increased interest in science or the environment, knowledge of science process, science inquiry skill, or change in behavior. Citizen science is the involvement of the science community in research and learning. CS, integration in learning, is usually used in the form of project or known as citizen science project. As you know, Indonesia with its potential has a high population providing opportunity for the development of citizen science while in learning. There has still been very few research conducted regarding the analysis of student understanding of citizen science project. Base of problem and base of opportunity in Indonesia and citizen science project, and I choose to citizen science project in learning. Method of research. First of all, I use qualitative descriptive method with random sampling with 109 sample. The data collection using questionnaire, interview, observation, and analysis of literature about citizen science in Indonesia. Validation of research instrument was carried out by expert lecturer in Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia. The data analysis technique from questionnaire, interview, and observation, I ending and calculating the percentage of indicator on instrument use and observers reliability even. I have three results from the research. First of all, citizen science project has eight main components, namely content awareness, community involvement, utilizing infrastructure, technological innovation, education innovation, reach and scale, building network, and complex thinking. And result two, it can be concluded that students are not yet familiar with the citizen science project in lab or and learning at school. And the last result I found, it is necessary to socialize about citizen science project to student and teacher because many students and many teacher don't know about the citizen science project in school and in life. Of citizen science knowledge from student in Indonesia, I choose a senior high school to sample in research. And the conclusion of the research, many students do not citizen science project in learning, so socialization need to be carried out to help understanding formal and non-formal education, as well as access to technology play an important role in shaping student understanding citizen science project. Thus, it is important to improve formal and non-formal education as well as access to technology to help student Indonesia improve their understanding of citizen science. This research is foundation before you research about citizen science project because this research focus to analysis understanding of student about citizen science in life or in school. I think that's all about my research. I give back to moderator.
Okay, thank you, Miss Utari Akhir Gusti, who has presented the research results by the analysis of senior high school students' understanding on citizen science project in Indonesia. Okay, please give applause to Miss Utari Akhir Gusti. Thank you for your presentation. And once again, please save your question. And we will next turn to the next presenter first because our time is limit. Okay. Next turn is for the next speaker. The third speaker is Miss Amalia. Is there Miss Amalia?
Yes, sir. I will substitute Mr. Amali.
Okay, Miss Amalia will present by Mr. Faisal Nur Halim.
Yes,
That's right?
that's right.
Okay. Thank you for Mr. Faisal Nur Halim. The question, the
Uh, for the sex.
Okay, hello? Any problem?
I text by mails, by myself or by
Okay. Is there a problem, Mr. Faisal?
there is a problem.
Okay, maybe the connection unstable. Okay, please continue, Mr. Faisal.
Recording in progress.
Okay, can you explain maybe without a slide? Okay, okay. Alhamdulillah.
Yes, I will continue my presentation. Development of a measuring instrument for the level of integrity of prospective religious teacher based on personality competence. Yes, background the research strengths the personality competence of prospective teacher, and the second development of personality competence assessment instrument. Yes, for the introduction, the Institute of Educators and Education personnel has a duty of meet the high expectation of the of the community and stakeholders. Yes, for the research objective is produce a standardized assessment instrument. And the next research problem, how to develop an instrument for assessing the integrity of prospective Islamic education teacher on personality competence. The development of instrument to measure the integrity of Islamic education teacher candidates that meets the standard is to have a validity score significant. The result of the validity and reliability test indicate that this instrument has met the standards and is therefore suitable for use the measuring the integrity of Islamic education teacher candidates in the area of personal competence. Very high or high level of integrity are easily achieved by Islamic education teacher candidates when reinforced by habituation or assessment factor in teaching practice activities and then given punishment and reward in the form of attitude or performance assessment of Islamic education teacher candidates. The research finding indicate that if prospective Islamic education teacher are not accustomed to and obligated to exhibit personality competence during teacher practice, they might become disciplined to do. Therefore, habituation and adherence to rules and regulation promote the development of integrity, particularly regarding and the teacher's personality competence.
Okay, maybe you can see the point to the research result and then the question and the conclusion maybe.
Okay, the conclusion is the first, the indicators in the study produced. There are 3 indicators. First, the prospective teacher implement good behavior towards learners when opening and presenting learning materials. The second, Islamic education teacher candidate demonstrate openness in thinking and acting. And third, Islamic education teacher candidates act in accordance with religious, legal, and social norms. And the second conclusion, fostering and advancing integrity can be achieved through habituation and reinforced by regulation and guidelines in educational pedagogy. And the third, valid and reliable instrument necessitate multiple states and producers, such as problem identification, theory formulation, and observation of activities, both previously exhausted and use tested with the ultimate objective of generating valid and reliable items. Maybe enough from me. Thanks for Mr. Lulut for that time.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Faisal Nur Halim, for your presentation, the interesting research result, and we give the reaction to Mr. Faisal Nur Halim. Okay, thank you. And the next turn is for the next speaker is Miss Shifa Alia Rahma. Okay, the research title is Development of Canva-based e-module on biotechnology subject for 10th grade high school students. Okay, are you ready, Miss Shifa Alia? Okay, I cannot hear your voice. Okay, hello, Miss Alia, Miss Shifa.
Halo.
Okay.
Halo.
Okay, your voice is very low.
Halo, Miss.
Hello. Okay. Louder, please. I cannot hear your voice clearly. Okay. Maybe how Miss Shifa's voice?
No, I can hear.
Yeah, no. Yes. Very low your voice, Miss Shifa.
Can you hear me?
Yes, still low.
Okay.
Okay.
Maybe.
But never mind, please continue. And the floor is yours.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for the opportunity that have been given to me. Please allow me to introduce myself. My name is Shifa. I'm from Yogyakarta, and I will present to you the result of research with the title Development of Canva-based e-modules on biotechnology subject for 10th grade high school student. First of all, let me start from the introduction. A preliminary study at SMA Negeri 2 Banguntapan revealed that the summative assessment result for the biotechnology material in the year 2023 yielded an average score of 60 to 68, whereas the learning objective achievement criteria was at the equal is greater than or equal to 70. The contributing factor to the low learning outcomes is the limitations, learning resources, and instructional materials employed, such as PowerPoint slides and school-issued textbooks. And the objective of this research are the first, to determine the development of Canva-based e-modules on the topic of biotechnology for 10th grade high school students. The second, to assess the quality of Canva-based e-modules on the topic of biotechnology for 10th grade high school students, and to evaluate student response to the Canva-based e-modules on the topic of biotechnology for 10th grade high school students. And the second chapter is research method. This study is a research and development, or R&D, using the AD development model, which has been adapted to become AD, consisting of analysis, design, and development. The research and development activities were carried out on June 15, 2023, and the product testing was conducted at SMA Negeri 2 Banguntapan in the 10th grade. And the next chapter is discussion. Okay, for this discussion section, we can see that on the slide there is a table of assessment from material expert, media expert, peer reviewer, and biology teacher. Each assessment has a different percentage, and the category all is very good. The next step involves conducting a response test with 35 students from class 10 at SMA Negeri 2 Banguntapan. The results obtained from the student response questionnaire towards the e-modules were 82.48%, and the categories are strongly agree. And the last chapter is conclusion. The first, based on the research findings and discussions in the previous chapter, it can be concluded that the first, the development of Canva-based e-module on biotechnologies, specifically on tissue culture and vaccine subtopic for 10th grade high school students has been successfully accomplished. The research development utilizes the AD model consisting of the analysis,
Iya, anak bunuh lah ya, anak. Makanya happy kamu.
development, and
Kira-kira.
evaluation stage
Cuman
were not
tahu dah.
in this study.
Itu.
The second, the assessment of the e-module's quality by subject matters expert, media expert, peer reviewers, and biology teachers resulted in a percentage of 97.34%, with the category of very good. Based on the accurate quality assessment result, it signifies that the class biology to learning medium, culture, and vaccine subtopic for 10th grade high school presentation. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Please close your because I cannot close the mic. Okay, Mbak Eka, maybe can you help me? Okay. Okay, thank you, Miss Shifa Alia Rahma. Please give applause to her. And
Aduh, dia bukan
next
dia
turn.
apa dah nak penting.
Okay. Mr. Miswar. Hello. Mr. Miswar. Miswar Saputra. Maybe yeah. Can you close your mic? Okay. Okay, thank you. And next turn is for the next speaker is Miss Nurmalia Khairunisa Zain. Okay. She will present the research about experimentation of mathematical learning assisted by the digital Linktree platform on Islamic integrated geometry material to improve student learning outcomes. Okay, are you ready, Miss Nurmalia?
Ready.
Do you come from UIN Sunan Kalijaga student?
No, I'm from UIN Malang.
No. Oh, UIN Malang. Okay. Maybe Miss Shifa, do you come from UIN Sunan Kalijaga student, Miss Shifa? Okay. Maybe she not here. Okay, Miss Nurmalia, the floor is yours.
Thank you. I will show my screen.
Okay.
Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurmalia Khairunisa Zain. I'm from UIN Maulana Malik Ibrahim Malang. Today I will presentation about my paper with title Experimentation of Mathematical Learning Assisted by the Digital Linktree Platform on Islamic Integrated Geometry Material to Improve Student Learning Outcomes. Yeah, first, the reason why I did this research because in this modern era, teachers are not only able to apply the use of technology in learning and teaching activities, but also in innovation work in learning. And one way to utilize technology that can be done is by providing a simple digital platform for students. And one of them is a digital platform Linktree. On the platform Linktree, students can access worksheet based on the material to be studied. And the material used on this platform is integrated with Islam, integrated project, and learning with game. In addition, the use of technology is also shown in the research of Artanti et al. That the use of technology in the form of application can improve student learning outcomes compared to the use of media commonly used by the teacher. Thus, learning that utilizes the Linktree digital platform has difference in learning outcomes with learning that only use conventional methods. And the research purpose is the study aims to determine the difference in studying mathematics learning outcomes with mathematics learning assisted by Linktree digital platform, Islamic integrated geometry material, and mathematics learning without using the help of digital platform. And the method is we are using quantitative research method with a comparative study approach. And for the study was conducted at SMP Islam Sabilur Rasyad Malang with a sample of grade 8 student, and the research design consisted of one variable, namely student who used the Linktree digital platform on Islamic integrated geometry material, and student who did not use the Linktree digital platform on Islamic integrated geometry material. And the data collection technique and instrument consists of observation, test, interview, and documentation. Then for data analysis is carried out by descriptive data analysis. And then the normality test and homogeneity test will also be carried out of analysis requirement test. And the hypothesis to be proven is HO. There is no difference in the learning outcome of students who use the Linktree digital platform and those who do not use the Linktree digital platform. And HA is there are difference in the learning outcomes of students who use the Linktree digital platform and those who do not use the Linktree digital platform. And the result is first, without using platform digital Linktree, based on the test result, give that the average score of 27 students was 15.22. Then the research calculated the standard deviation and produced a value of 1.8, which means that there is a deviation that is not too large. And second, with using platform digital Linktree, based on the test result given, the average score of 27 students was 16.33. Then the researcher calculated the standard deviation and produced a value of 1.4, which means that there is a deviation that is not too large. And for inferential analysis is carried of consisting of a normality test and a homogeneity test. The normality test show that the student test data are normally distributed, and for the homogeneity test, it shows that the variance of both groups are homogeneous. And for the hypothesis testing was carried out to draw conclusion about difference in student learning outcomes in the use of the Linktree digital platform on Islamic integrated geometry material. And the researchers used the t-test formula to test the comparative hypothesis of the two variables. By using the degree of freedom decay is 48 and the error rate 0.05, the value of 2.031. So that from the count apply, if the T count is smaller or equal to the T table, then HA is accepted. And if the T count is greater, then HO is rejected. So because from the research is T count is 2.351 is greater than T table 2.010. So HA is accepted, which means that there are difference in student learning outcomes when using the Linktree digital platform on Islamic integrated geometry material with the learning outcomes of students who do not who don't use it. And for the discussion is about Linktree digital platform is a simple platform that is very easy for students to access and use in learning. There is a development of learning media carried out by Fathia and Utami, which show that Linktree can be used as one of the innovation in providing learning media. The feature of the Linktree are actually unlimited. Teacher can make modification related to any link or website that they want to connect to the platform. And the difference in student learning outcomes when using the Linktree digital platform show the enthusiasm of students when studying Islamic integrated geometry material. This is also supported by research from Rahayu et al., which shows that there is an influence on student learning outcomes when using platform in their learning. Other research related to improving learning outcomes in the use of digital platform is also shown by Sari and Zulmaulida, who state that there is a considerable influence on the use of digital platform on student learning outcomes.
Okay.
And for the conclusion, from the result of the study above, it showed that students who don't use the Linktree digital platform on Islamic integrated geometry material have an average score of 15.22, so it is quite good. While students who use the Linktree digital platform on Islamic integrated geometry material have an average score of 16, quite as good and superior to students who don't use it. Then for the value of the table shows that each A is accepted because T count greater than T tabel. They show that there is a significant difference in the learning outcomes of students who use the Linktree digital platform and those who don't use it. So that's it from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, Miss Nurmalia Khairunisa Zain from OIN Malik Maulana Ibrahim Malang. Okay, please give applause to Miss Nurmalia. Thank you for the interesting research. And before we continue to the next presenter, there will be 2 sessions, and each session is for 2 questions. Please use the raise hand feature in Zoom, then unmute your microphone and camera, and don't forget to mention your name before giving opinion, question, or answer. Maybe any question from participants? Okay, there is no question. And then we continue to the next presenter. Okay. Okay. If there is no question, okay, we next turn is for the next speaker or the 5th. Okay, sorry, the 6th speaker is Mr. Miswar Saputra. Okay, he will present about Society 5.0 as a challenge to Islamic education. Are you ready, Mr. Miswar Saputra? Hello, Mr. Miswar. Can you hear my voice? Okay, there is no voice from Mr. Miswar. Okay, maybe we continue to the next presenter, Miss Pomarida Simbolon. Okay, are you ready, Miss Pomarida? Okay. Okay, and Miss Pomarida Simbolon will present her research about student anxiety in facing objective structure clinical examination. Okay, the floor is yours.
Yeah. Thank you for the time given, my daily viewer.
Yes.
Good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon, madam.
The honorable reviewer, we want to introduce ourselves. My name is Nagolan Simbolon, and my team, Pomarida Simbolon. We come from Stiket Santa Elizabeth, Medan.
Wow.
our statistical student NCT in facing objective structural clinical examination. Background: NCT is the feeling of listener and fear in response to unclear threat to sometimes caused by anticipation of danger and signal that help individuals to take action to overcome the threat. NCT can happen to everyone, anyone, including students, and a problem that needs to be addressed because it will have an impact on student performance in taking practical exam. OSCE is a practical exam with assessment based on scale observer will carrying out various scale that are able to evaluate many scale in a strict and disciplined manner. OSCE has many benefits, but OSCE raises to student feeling of NCT. The aim of this research was to determine the executive feature of STIKES Santa Elizabeth Medan students in visiting the objective structure clinical. The prevalence of nursing students who experience NCT when facing the OSCE in Indonesia, among them are students who have a mild level of stress, a percentage of 57.6%. Most of which are physical stressors